Hello friends, welcome in this video. Keep practicing, success आपका ही होगा. So let's start this MCQs. This is the first questions of this video. Solubility of the solid in liquid may be increased by increasing temperature, increasing pressure, choosing a solvent with high dipole moments, and both A and C. Friends, you know that the solid in liquid, solubility of solid in liquid increases as you increase the temperature. So first option is correct, but second option, the pressure is used. So if you increase pressure, then you know that the solid and liquid, they are incompressible, so the pressure is not affected on solubility of the solid in liquid. So B option we cannot be considered here. Now C options, the solvent with high dipole moments. As you know that the water has a high dielectric constant, and that's why the maximum solid solute is dissolved in the water. So option number C is also correct. So A and C is correct. That means our D option is a correct option. Next question. So seventh questions. The solubility of a certain gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is given. Calculate the solubility of a gas at 1 atmospheric pressure if the partial pressure of the gas is given. So let's start solving these questions. So S is equals to Kh into P, and here solubility is given. That means here 6.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per dm cube per atmosphere is at 1 atmospheric pressure. And here the partial pressure of the gas is given. So we have to write here the 0.5 atmosphere. So here atmosphere will cancel out, and here 6.8 and zero point 0.5. So 5 8 is 40, 5 6 is 30 plus this 4 means 34. So here after this 2 point means हमारा आंसर आएगा 3.40 into 10 raised to minus 4 is mole per dm cube. So this mole per dm cube is nothing but molarity into 10 raised to minus 4 is a capital M. This is our answer. So from these options, the 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 M means C is our correct options. Now friends, the next questions, question number 8. The solution showing positive deviations from the Rod's law. So first of all, let me explain what is meant by positive deviations, and for that purpose you should know the graph for the ideal solutions. Suppose there are two components, the components A and component B, and the component A, mole fractions of this A at this point is 1.0, and mole fractions of B at this end is 1.0. 1. Friends, vapor pressure of this A is here, this 100% A is present here, and that's why vapor pressure of this A is here, and vapor pressure of B we can write here. If we plot the vapor pressure of individual, if we plot the vapor pressure of this individual, we'll get A, this is for A, and vapor pressure of individual, that is B, we can plot vapor pressure of this B. Now if this mixture is there, then the vapor pressure of this mixture, that means the solution, vapor pressure curve is this. So in this way we'll get the vapor pressure of solutions is the ideal solutions is vapor pressure of solution is vapor pressure of A and vapor pressure of B individual. Friends, so this is called ideal graph for the ideal solutions. And suppose vapor pressure of the individual is greater than this, matlab इसका वेपर प्रेशर हमें ज़्यादा मिलेगा, इसका मतलब ए का हमें ऐसा मिलेगा, ज़्यादा ऐसा मिलेगा वेपर प्रेशर, बी का हमें ऐसा मिलेगा और सॉल्यूशन का भी हमें ऐसा मिलेगा. So this indicate the positive deviations. That means there is weak intermolecular forces and the boiling point will be less. So friends, from these options, the first options have vapor pressure less. Vapor pressure यहाँ पे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. So the second options will have a vapor pressure higher than individual. So this is second is a correct answer. C C options will have boiling points lower than the individual. It is also correct. That means option number D is correct. The vapor pressure इसमें ज़्यादा है than the individual and vapor pressure ज़्यादा है तो boiling point उसका कम होगा. As like you know that water has a high boiling points 100 degree Celsius. इसका vapor pressure कम है compared to suppose ethyl alcohol, उसका vapor pressure ज़्यादा है, boiling point कम है. And that's why option number D is our correct options. Next friend, next question. A solution containing benzene and toluene. So this is, you know that this is the example of the ideal solutions. So the option number C is correct. The ideal solutions. Another example also friends you have to keep in mind, that is N-hexane, N-heptane, then bromoethane, iodoethane, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. These are the another examples of the ideal solutions. Its next question. It is question number 10. On mixing 10 ml of acetone and 10 ml of chloroform. Friends, this is the example of acetone and the chloroform. In between them, the bonding will be take place, and that's why we'll get here the negative deviations from the ideal solutions. So friends, if there is a negative deviations, this non-ideal solutions with negative deviation is the example of this mixture. This mixture is the example of non-ideal solutions with negative deviations, and that's why the volume is less than the total volume. That is first is our correct answer because of negative deviations from Rod's law. Now here, when the two liquids are mixed, the boiling point of the mixture becomes greater than both of them. Boiling points ज़्यादा है, इसका मतलब vapor pressure उसका कम होगा. इसका मतलब non-ideal solutions with negative deviation is our answer. Just now we have seen the diagrams of the ideal solutions. Please follow these diagrams. You get the answer of these 11 questions. That is option number D is our correct options. Because here the vapor pressure is lower, the boiling point of the mixture becomes greater, that means vapor pressure is lower. That's why D is our correct answer. So friends, keep practicing, success आपका ही होगा. So thank you for watching the video and please keep subscribe the channel and keep like to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.